Hello friends, if you are not getting approval from Google AdSense, no worry because Ejoic is there. On the recent updates of Ejoic, if you are also a beginner, you can start with Ejoic. This is a ad network to display ad in your website. Here you can see that previously there was one condition that you need 10,000 visitors per month to join Ezoic. But with the new update of Ezoic, anyone can join even if you are a complete beginner. If you have less than 10,000 visitors monthly inside your website, you can definitely join with Ezoic. In today's video, I will tell you why you must join Ezoic instead of AdSense. Here I have written few benefits of Ezoic ad network over AdSense, Google AdSense. The first point is threshold. You need $100 to withdraw from Google AdSense, but in case of Ezoic, it's only $20. Next is the website speed. If you insert the Google AdSense inside your website, then it may slow down your website, but in case of Ezoic, it will accelerate the speed of your website. The next is account ban. Sometimes Google AdSense may ban your account without any kind of notice, period notice. They may ban your account. But in case of Ezoic, they will first write some mails that some issue with that Ezoic, then only they will ban your account. After warning, if you recover or if you update those issues, then they will not ban your account. The next is ad testing. In the AdSense, you need manual with ad inserter plugin. You have to use the plugin and you need to insert your ads manually. But in case of Ezoic, it will test your ad in different position automatically, and there are artificial intelligence inside this, and where you are getting more, where there is chance to get more clicks, and where in which page your traffic is coming more on that particular page, and on some particular position where there is higher chance of getting clicks, the ad will be display on that particular position. And earning, in case of earning, if you say in case of Google AdSense, if you earn $2 per 1,000 page visits, then I can assure you in case of Ezoic, you can earn $4 per 1,000 page views. And the next is control in the ad display. But here there is more options to control, and in case of Ezoic, there are fewer options to control. This is a negative point, this is not a positive one, but on the comparison to Ezoic, I just put everything in a single chart. The next is build audience. You cannot build audience on AdSense, but there you can build audience using the video of Ezoic. There are options, but I'm not going into the all such details. And the next is core web vitals. There are no effect on the core web vitals if you use Google AdSense, but the core web vitals will improve if you use Ezoic. The next is SEO and analytics. There are, in case of SEO and analytics, there are fewer SEO and analytics inside the AdSense, but Ezoic there are more SEO and analytics. Next is closed guard secure, and in case of AdSense there is no such closed guard secure, and in case of Ezoic there is DDoS protection and advanced site security. And in case of and the next is bot protection. There you will get outside plugin to be used for bot protection, but there are inbuilt bot protection in case of Ezoic. And then the next is customer support. Not the customer support is not very active, as we all know in case of Google AdSense, but in case of Ezoic you will get an excellent customer support. And the next is allow AI to increase revenue and improve UX. No, it's not possible, and in case of Ezoic, it is possible. Yes, and these are the positive points of Ezoic over AdSense. And if you are new, if you have a new website, if you are not getting approval from Google AdSense, then definitely you can start with Ezoic. The Ezoic, first of all, two things. First of all, you can earn more money with Ezoic, and the next is the speed. There are sometimes if you place a lot of ads inside the Google AdSense, and they are made that may slow down your website, but in case of Ezoic, it is not possible to slow down. It will improve your speed performance of your website. So that's all about the comparison between the AdSense and Ezoic, and I will put the link of Ezoic in the description below. From there you can definitely join inside Ezoic, and you can test how it is, how your website is performing. Even if you have 100 page visits per day, then can also you join with Ezoic. Or even if you have total beginner, you are not getting any approval from AdSense, you can start with Ezoic. So that's all about Ezoic. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.